Have a fantastic good morning to my dear kids. How are you? Okay. Today this is my lecture number 5. And which date? Today date is 28th of April and day Tuesday. Okay. Now we will start vowels. Okay. Vowels. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels we have. Okay. You can see I write 5 magical letters. A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. These are called vowels. Okay. And now we will start sound of A. A, B. A, B, F. 2 letters make a one sound. Okay. A, B, F. A, D. A, D, add. A, F. A, F, off. A, G. A, G, add. A, H. A, H, aha. A, double L. A, double L, all. A, M. A, M, N. A, M, M. A, N. A, N, N. A, P. A, P, F. A, R. A, R, R. A, S. A, S, S. A, T. A, T, at. A, X. A, X, X. A, Y. A, Y, A. A, Z. A, Z, as. Okay. And now it is enough today. Okay. You have to do this work in English Fair Notebook. Okay. Have a good day, kids. Bye.